Hi there friends, welcome to Heart-Filled Kitchen. I'm so glad that you're here. Now in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you one of my all-time favorite summertime salads. If you have plenty of tomatoes that you need to use up and you're looking for a brand new way to use them, then today's recipe is for you. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a recipe for chopped caprese salad. Now there are many different variations to this salad and different ways to use this combination of ingredients, which include everything from just a side salad to a flatbread pizza. But in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my favorite way to eat this caprese salad, and that's as a chopped caprese salad on toast. This refreshing salad consists of 3 main ingredients and it can be thrown together in just a matter of minutes. So let's just go ahead and jump into it and I'll show you exactly how it's made. Okay, we're going to start out today's recipe by preparing the tomatoes, and all that I'm doing here is cutting each cherry tomato into fourths. The amount of tomatoes that you use is solely going to depend on how large of a batch you want to make. I have 1 cup here and that'll be plenty for 2. Our next ingredient is going to be the basil. Just remove all of your large stems from your fresh basil. Your basil can either be cut into strips, or in this chopped version, I prefer to chop the basil. This helps get a good bite of basil in every spoonful. Now moving on to our fresh mozzarella. Like the rest of this recipe, I am choosing to use the small pearl version of the mozzarella, and I'm cutting each into thirds or in half. As you can see here, by chopping everything to a consistent size, we're going to be able to get a good bite of all the ingredients in every serving. Once you have your tomatoes, basil, and mozzarella all stirred together, just give it a good drizzle of olive oil and a big dash of salt and pepper. Now we're ready to assemble. Today I'll be serving the chopped caprese salad on these petite toast. As you can see, they look like little miniature slices of bread, but they're crunchy like a crouton, which makes them perfect. And then we're going to be topping everything off with this original balsamic glaze. I'm using a store-bought, but you can certainly make your own. Now to assemble your chopped caprese toast, just take one of the little petite toasts and pile it high with your chopped caprese salad. Once you have your toast piled high, let's go ahead and give it a good drizzle of that balsamic glaze. These beautiful and fresh caprese toast make the perfect addition to any summertime meal. Well, if you enjoyed seeing my favorite way to make this salad, then I sure hope that you'll let me know by giving it a big thumbs up. And feel free to share your favorite version of this salad in the comments down below. Thanks again, friends, for stopping by today, and I sure hope that I'll see you in the next one. Bye!